Prepare for pain, you child-abusing dick.
Caillou. How dare you throw a rock at me? You are grounded.
Shut the fuck up, Dad. It is your punishment day, so I can do whatever the fuck I want.
Oh no, Caillou, please do not do anything horrible to me.
Punishment number 2. I will light you on fire.
Why?
Punishment number 3. I will throw you off the roof. Fuck you, Dad. Now for your final punishment. That Caillou will jump on you, then shit on you.
Why? Please do not shit on me.
Too late, Boris. I ate 10 meals at Taco Bell last night and I am ready to blow my chunky turds at you. Caillou, I think we killed Boris. Yay 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 yay.
My eyes, my beautiful eyes!